give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.